Begin by setting your oven to a temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Fill a large pot with salted water and wait for it to come to boil. Add 1 pound of tortellini and cook them as per the instructions on the package. This usually takes around 5 to 7 minutes to get them to an al dente consistency. Remember, drain them well once they are done. Now, in a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked tortellini with 2 cups of the store-bought basil pesto, or you can make your own. You want to ensure each piece is well coated in that delicious pesto sauce. Once your tortellini is coated, it's time to assemble the dish. Transfer half of the pesto-coated tortellini to a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Sprinkle with 1 cup of the mozzarella cheese. Layer the remaining tortellini on top and finish with the remaining 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Place the dish in the preheated oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and the edges start to turn a gorgeous golden brown. Once your casserole is cooked, remove it from the oven and let it cool slightly. Garnish with about 10-12 fresh basil leaves if you like before serving. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.